Strength and agility are two key components that define athletic performance in team sports, such as soccer and basketball. Team members rely on these attributes to enhance their gameplay, allowing them to outmaneuver opponents and execute plays with precision. By developing strength and agility, athletes can improve their endurance and resilience during intense match conditions, leading to enhanced performance on the field or court. To cultivate strength, athletes must include resistance training in their routine. This can involve exercises like squats, lunges, and bench presses, all tailored to target the major muscle groups used in team sports. These exercises not only build muscle, but also reinforce joint stability, which is vital to remain injury-free while playing.
Athletes should enhancing functional stress directly translates to.
Agility, on the other hand, is critical for quick directional changes and maintaining balance while in motion. Drills like ladder runs, cone drills, and agility hurdles can effectively improve quickness and footwork. These exercises teach athletes to move efficiently while maintaining control, allowing them to navigate the field with grace and speed. Furthermore, integrating plyometric training can enhance explosive power, enabling players to jump higher and sprint faster, essential for securing rebounds in basketball or making sudden sprinting runs in soccer. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in supporting strength and agility training. A balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates fuels the body for rigorous workouts. Proper hydration is equally essential. It not only enhances physical performance but also aids in recovery post-exercise. Consuming a protein-rich snack after training can help muscles repair and grow, setting the stage for continued improvement. Finally, incorporating rest and recovery into an athlete's routine is crucial. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and increased risk of injury, counteracting strength and agility gains. Active recovery days, stretching, and restorative practices such as yoga can aid in maintaining flexibility and preventing stiffness. This holistic approach to training, mixing strength work with agility drills, proper nutrition, and ample rest, will enhance an athlete's capabilities, preparing them for the demands of team sports. With consistent dedication to training and a focus on strength and agility, athletes can elevate their performance levels, making them invaluable team members. Excelling in these areas fosters confidence and competitiveness, ultimately leading to success both individually and collectively in team sports. In the dynamic world of team sports like soccer and basketball, strength and agility are paramount for success. Athletes must withstand the physical demands of these games while swiftly navigating their environment with precision. Strength allows players to power through tackles, leap into the air for rebounds, or sprint past defenders when the opportunity arises. Agility is equally crucial, as it enables athletes to change direction quickly, evade opponents, and make rapid decisions on the fly. This fine balance between strength and agility can be developed through targeted training regimens that focus on enhancing both attributes. Incorporating exercises such as plyometrics can improve explosive power, while agility drills like ladder workouts enhance foot speed and coordination. Resistance training is vital for building strength. Exercises that target major muscle groups, including squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, contribute to the overall muscle development needed for team sports. These workouts create a solid foundation, enabling athletes to perform at their peak when it matters most. Additionally, functional training, emphasizing movements mimicking the actions in sports, ensures that athletes not only grow stronger, but also develop skills relevant to their game. On the agility front, implementing cone drills and shuttle runs can drastically improve an athlete's quickness and reaction time. These drills help athletes train their bodies to respond instantaneously to the rapidly changing scenarios they encounter during a game. Combining agility with strength training fosters a well-rounded athlete capable of excelling in their sport, as the two aspects complement one another. Preseason training can be optimized by incorporating both strength and agility routines. Programs developed by experienced coaches often include sport-specific drills designed to refine techniques while building physical attributes. Nutrition and recovery also play critical roles, as fueling the body properly with the right nutrients and allowing ample time for recovery can refine athletic performance further and minimize the risk of injuries. Ultimately, embracing a holistic approach combining strength and agility training not only enhances individual skill, but also uplifts the entire team's performance. When each player contributes their optimal physical abilities, the synergy leads to a more formidable and cohesive unit. As athletes commit to these training principles, they will undoubtedly see improved performance, transforming both their game and their contribution to their team's success. Strength and agility are paramount in team sports, playing a crucial role in overall performance and athletic success. Strength provides the muscle power necessary for explosive movements, allowing athletes to sprint, jump, and tackle effectively on the field or court. Meanwhile, agility allows players to maneuver quickly around opponents, change directions seamlessly, and maintain balance under pressure. To build strength, athletes should incorporate resistance training into their routines. Exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses develop key muscle groups crucial for sports. For example, a strong lower body aids in quick acceleration and powerful jumps, essential for both soccer and basketball. Additionally, functional movements like lunges and kettlebell swings not only build strength but also enhance coordination, mimicking the dynamic motions athletes perform during games. Agility training is equally vital, as it translates into improved on-field performance. Drills like ladder exercises, cone sprints, and shuttle runs help develop foot speed and quickness. These drills enhance neuromuscular coordination, enabling players to react faster in game situations. A basketball player navigating through defenders can benefit from improved footwork, while a soccer player sidestepping an opponent showcases the necessity of agility. Incorporating plyometrics into strength training can also bridge the gap between strength and agility. Box jumps and lateral hops are prime examples of how explosive movements can enhance both power and agility in athletes. These exercises help develop fast-twitch muscle fibers, crucial for quick bursts of speed during competitive play. Furthermore, a well-rounded approach to physical conditioning should include flexibility and agility drills. Stretching routines and mobility exercises help prevent injuries and improve range of motion, which are essential for executing complex movements. Yoga or dynamic stretching sessions before workouts can enhance flexibility, allowing players to reach their peak performance. Nutrition plays a supporting role in building strength and agility. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates can fuel training sessions and promote muscle recovery. Staying hydrated is equally important, as it supports optimal muscle function and overall athletic performance. By focusing on strength and agility, athletes can significantly elevate their performance in team sports. A comprehensive training regimen encompassing strength training, agility drills, and nutrition will equip players with the tools needed to excel on the field or court, leading to greater success for both individuals and teams. Strength and agility are the cornerstones of performance in team sports like soccer and basketball. They not only improve individual skills, but also contribute to the overall dynamics of the team. Athletes who develop these physical attributes are better equipped to respond swiftly to game situations, tackle opponents, and execute plays flawlessly. Therefore, a focused approach on training can significantly enhance these essential athletic qualities. To build strength, incorporating resistance training is crucial. Exercises such as squats, lunges, and deadlifts target the major muscle groups, enhancing power and stability. This strength not only aids in winning physical battles on the field, but also prevents injuries, allowing athletes to perform at their highest level consistently. Additionally, integrating upper body workouts through push-ups and bench presses helps in developing a balanced physique, enhancing overall performance during play. Agility, on the other hand, refers to the ability to move swiftly and change direction efficiently. Drills that emphasize quick footwork, such as cone drills, ladder drills, and shuttle runs, are essential in honing this skill. These exercises improve coordination, balance, and speed, enabling athletes to navigate the dynamic environment of a game with ease. Incorporating agility drills not only sharpens physical ability, but also boosts mental quickness, allowing athletes to anticipate their opponent's moves and react accordingly. The synergistic effect of strength and agility training cannot be overstated. Proper conditioning sessions that combine weight training and agility drills yield the most significant results. For instance, performing a strength exercise like a squat followed by a quick lateral movement drill can mimic game scenarios, preparing the body for the demands of competitive play. Moreover, incorporating plyometric exercises, such as jump squats or burpees, can elevate an athlete's explosiveness and reaction time, further enhancing their effectiveness on the field or court. In conclusion, prioritizing strength and agility is vital for athletes participating in team sports. Developing a training regimen that combines resistance training and agility drills ensures that players are not only physically fit, but also capable of executing their techniques with precision and speed. As athletes embrace these principles, they will undoubtedly rise to higher levels of competition, both as individuals and as cohesive team players, ultimately leading to greater success on the field.